Let's learn how to use magic tool to draw a beautiful painting. Yes, so click on magic tool, select grass button. Okay, I've got this one. Select grass button, click on the particular color, and in this way just drag your mouse. Yes, click and drag your mouse. Add some light green grass also. You can also paste flowers. For that, click on paint button, choose the flower option, and then select the red color, and then in this way you can paste the red color like this. Also blue yellow color flowers you can paste to make your drawing more colorful, more presentable, more beautiful. Select blue color also. Yes, so I have selected and pasted the flowers of different colors. Yes, now let's draw a tree. For that, select brown color and select the brush, thickness of the brush. Let's draw the stem. So this is the stem of the tree. Yes, now we will draw leaves. For that, scroll down and select the leaves option, this one. Select the dark green leaves and you can draw leaves. Also select some light green to make it more realistic. Yes, so this is how we can make a simple painting. Thank you.